A dirty dryer vent can cause your dryer to run less efficiently, shorten the life of your appliance, and even possibly cause a fire. So cleaning it is a simple project with big benefits. Find your vent behind the dryer. It's usually attached to the dryer with a flexible metal duct. Unplug your dryer, and if you have a gas dryer, turn off the gas valve. Be careful not to disturb the gas line or the steam clean water line while cleaning the duct if you have them. Move the dryer away from the wall and disconnect the duct. Clean any dust from the back of the dryer with a vacuum and stiff brush. A dryer vent cleaning kit like this works best for the vent itself. Just attach the flexible brush rod to a power drill and insert it into the vent from either the inside or the outside. Slowly move the spinning brush through the vent to clean out the lint. Inspect your flexible duct to make sure there are no crumples or tears. You can use the brush to clean out this tube as well, but be careful as it can tear if you move too quickly. Vacuum up any dust or debris on the floor and reattach the vent to the dryer with a flexible duct. Plug the dryer back in and turn on the gas if necessary, and you can enjoy the improved airflow, safer operation, and more efficient drying power you've created.